Hi and welcome to Epcot. I'm here to ride a ride and get a drink. Not this ride, this one here. Mission Space. Now, it's been close to about 13 years since I've last been on this ride. And at that point, I weighed a solid 132 kilos. And I can tell you, it was the most painful experience of my entire life. And that is, of course, is the Mars mission, which is the more intense one, the one that really pushes the G's onto you. And I'm here to do it again. Today I weigh about 107 kilos, so let's see what that's like.
Try it this way.
Any chance you got to do it?
I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now, but don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another. Even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing they had that you don't have yet. Training.
Attention astronaut candidates. You have selected Orange Team More Intense Training. If you are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning, you may exit the flight training area now.
So as you can see, it's just one huge, I think it's called a centrifuge. So basically it just spins us right around.
Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control are proud to be a part of this historic liftoff.
Thank you, Gina.
Mission Control, how's the fire?
We are definitely tilting backwards. Oh, wow, okay. Okay, I'm definitely, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Mission Control to Mars
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Initiate first stage separation now.
Wow, easy way for plastic surgery there.
Computer override initiated.
Ooh.
0G confirmed.
Yeah, that's a weird feeling.
You're looking good, team.
Thank you.
Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem. Beginning evasive maneuvers. This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site. Proximity alert. Pilot, deploy the shield now.
Woo! Oh, here we go. We're going to Mars.
Navigator, fire rockets for descent.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Wings for gliding. Now.
Oh.
Computer override. Wings extended. We lost autopilot. Commander, activate manual control. Now. Computer override activated. All hands on the control stick. Pull left. Watch the canyon wall. Now right. Ease it left. They're coming in too high.
Here we go. Gonna land it.
Hold it steady.
I'm holding it. I'm holding it.
In 1,000 feet. 200 Watch the barrier. 15 feet. Pull back.
Well, we're gonna go in the barrier.
Hang on.
Oh.
Down and clear. Alert. Location. Canyon edge.
Oh no.
Don't move a muscle.
I'm trying not to. No promises.
Good work, team. You made it to the landing site.
Yeah,
Welcome
team.
to Mars.
Well done, team.
To the astronaut.
Great work. Great work, team.
Okay, heads back, releasing restraints.
If it
Now push the restraints up.
wasn't for
Be
my
sure to
team,
gather all your belongings.
I don't
and
think
follow
that would have been
the arrows
possible. Well, I really don't know what I was too afraid of. That ride was so much fun. In fact, Jurassic World Velocicoaster is a much more painful experience than that. Hey Buzz. So yeah, now I guess it's time, before I head to work, to go to the best place, or should I say the coolest place, to grab a drink. Here at Epcot, there's a little Coca-Cola store here called Club Cool, which sells, of course, Coca-Cola merchandise, but also gives you a taste of flavors around the world. So you get little cups and they're all free. Here you'll find the world infamous Beverly, which is a palate cleanser, which I can't describe the taste. It's just horrible. I'm sure they use it as a form of torture in some countries. Maybe on a future vlog, you pay me enough, I'll drink it. But I'm here to grab a frozen lemonade, which basically is my Achilles heel. And here it is, the Minute Maid lemonade. Not only do they do this, but they also have orange, icy, and blue raspberry, as well as ice cream floats, and of course the normal Coca-Cola beverages. Well, thanks for joining me on my quick trip before work. I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, brain freeze.